Freelancing is going to change forever in the future. If you are a freelancer or want to start freelancing, this is the most important video that you would have ever watched. So I have divided this video into three components. Layer one, old school. Okay, a decade ago, how was the freelancing? What is the current state of freelancing? What works in 2025? And what is the future of freelancing? What works in next 5 to 10 years down the line? So let's get started. By the way, my name is Virender Chaudhary. People know me as Hello Viru, and I'm the founder and CEO of Trader School. Let's begin. So let's go 10 years back. Freelancing is nothing but a task-based work, small gig works, like any client who wants to give any task that is being outsourced to freelancers. They used to pay a very less amount of work. And at that point of time, people used to think that freelancing is a part-time job. I can earn some money like 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, depends on whatever the tasks that have been assigned to me via clients. So people used to not seriously focus on it because at that point of time, a decade, 10 years ago, people think that if I have a stable job with good salary, even parents and the society used to believe that this guy is settled. Am I right? Now you observe. I will tell you the current way of freelancing, what works in 2025. If you observe the trend, now the workforce is divided into two segments. Segment one, who is still looking for a good job and who want to settle in the job itself, which will be very tough going to be. Because you are working to somebody's dream and helping them to build their dream. So that is one segment of audience. And the other half is again divided into two. If you observe programs like Shark Tank and all which is related to founders, entrepreneurship are booming now. The other half is divided into two segments. Segment one, who wants to be freelancers or who want to be self employed, who really don't care about building a team, building a big business, but they want to live on their own terms and they want to become independent and self employed. They can work on their own terms individually. This is possible because of AI. Now you don't need big teams. You can build one person freelancing career where you can make 10 lakh and above per month. It is possible to build 1 crore a year if you follow the systems and build a standard operating procedures inside your freelancing career. Right? This is one segment. And the other segment, they want to start something on their own. Could be a startup, getting team, building products, serving. So they love this. Now only 50% are in the job force. There's 50% are thinking like that. If you agree to this point, type agree in the comment box so that I will get to know that you are also in the same loop what I am trying to say. Got it? So now you see, I'll tell you few important stats about freelancing. I have noted it down. So I will tell you India has 15 million freelancers in 2020 and projected to 23.5 by 2029 or 2030. Do you think this is a small number? Freelancing is going. Freelancing is growing. You're getting my point. And one more stat. India's gig economy grew 38%. Companies tapping project based talent. Companies are looking for people who can build and get results for them. And global 1.57 billion freelancers, 47% of workforce. See how big. As on today, I'm talking about these stats. US growth 76 million freelancers in 2024, and it is projected to grow 90 million by 2027. Are you still thinking like, should I learn freelancing? Should I start doing freelancing? Or should I go and continue doing the job? You're risking your life. I will tell you one simple line. If you have one single source of income, you are just one step away from the poverty. That's what I can tell you. So this is not said by me, by the way. So you can search. There are many quotes around this. Big billionaires have said this. Getting my point. So pay attention to freelancing. Now let's go to the next segment, which is future of freelancing. Okay. So before I move to the future of freelancing, I want to tell you what works in 2025. Do not look at task based freelancing works. That is gone right now, completely vanished. Now clients are not looking for people who can do particular tasks. Clients are looking for somebody who can solve the problem what they are currently facing. So that means you have to focus on your niche. Niche is again divided into identifying your niche, identifying what problem that particular niche is facing right now, and what solution you can bring them onto the table. And second, how do you solve that using your skill? That is niche. Okay. Niche based freelancers. Okay. Result based freelancers, not task based, who can bring real value and results to the clients. They have a bright future and they are very soon going to become the top 1% of freelancers in the world. Don't look at task based. Always look at result based freelancing. Getting my point? So if you need a clear training on what is works in 2025, what is niche, how to identify problem, etc., I will give you a free training link below this video. Click on it and watch it. You will understand clearly what I mean to say, what works in 2025 for our freelancers or somebody who want to start freelancing. Clear? So let's go to the future of freelancing right now. What is the future of freelancing? So I listed down few stats for you to tell, and then I'll go to what works in the future. So this is from a LinkedIn co-founder, Reid Hoffman. He predicts traditional 9 to 5 jobs will extinct by 2030-34. What does this mean? You're getting my point. And second, with a decade, 50% of US population will be freelancers. Oh my God. Companies will rely more on freelancers, agencies, gig economy is the future. Still, you don't want to try freelancing. Still, you don't want to get into high paying clients and build a great freelancing career. Skip this video. Okay. Because freelancing is the future. That's why I'm working towards it, providing mentorship, coaching exclusively for freelancers. If you are a freelancer, if you need any one to one mentorship or a coaching from me, I will drop a link in the below. So click on it and apply for it. Let's get into the next thing. The scale and shift. India, 15 million freelancers, and by 2029, as I said, it will grow 23.5 million or 24 million freelancers. Global market, you see, freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork have $1.3 trillion globally. And India alone contribute $0.19 billion. And by 2030, it will go $0.78 billion. Oh my God. See, this is not said by me. Hey, who are you to say all these things? I've researched about these stats and I'm putting right in front of you. Okay. So why is it true? I'll tell you few important things. Okay. Freelancers charge 3x what employees make due to overhead and risk. AI boosts demand. 50% of LinkedIn users expects roles to be shifted by 2030. So you're getting my point. So this is the future. But Viru, please tell me what works in the future, next 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. Okay. You know, a newborn baby, just born, which is AI. It is just born and it is already disrupting every market. Everybody is loving AI. Everybody wants to learn AI. Everybody wants to use AI. You see, AI can do a lot more what you are imagining right now. That doesn't mean like you will lose jobs because of AI. If you lose jobs because of AI, that means you're not leveraging AI or you're doing some traditional work which can be replaced by AI. But if you utilize AI, if you learn skills, what is required in 2025 and the upcoming years, you will be not replaced by AI. And also there are a lot of jobs that can be formed, newly formed, could be prompt, prompt generalist or prompt engineering and so many. So don't worry about AI, but always worry about whether are you adapting to this new culture called AI or not. That's the most important thing. Okay. So AI is just born. It is disrupting entire world. So there is a very good opportunity for freelancers exclusively. Previously, if you wanted to do a client work, any project, I'm talking about inside digital marketing specifically. You need a team of at least 4 or 5 people: content writers, copywriters, performance marketers, designers, video editors, content marketers. Depends on the project. There are a lot of people required. Now, AI can almost do every job of these people except strategic thinking and creative marketing. That is only possible through human connections, and human emotions, human relationships cannot be replaced. So strategic thinking can also be not replaced. So even though if AI is taking over everything, there should be one person to handle everything. That is you. That is freelancer. Okay. Client will not have time to do it on their own. So they need somebody who knows AI and how to use AI for marketing, how to produce results using AI. They are looking for them, and you can build literally a 1% freelancing agency. Isn't it crazy? So this would be the future. So always look at results, not tasks. If you don't go to us to go to a client and ask, I will provide social media management services. Who cares? Instead, you tell, I can grow your followers from your current state to 2x within 3 months, and I can bring you these results. That is the positioning of a freelancer. Nobody needs a generalist right now. Everybody needs a specialist. I'll end this with this line. Think about this. If somebody has a heart problem, do you go to general physician or a cardiologist? Answer is right within you. So comment down on this video what new topics that you want to learn inside freelancing so that I can prepare and shoot and give you value on the same. So if you like this video, like it and share it with somebody who wants to start freelancing or who's thinking about freelancing. See you inside. See you with the next video, by the way. Thank you so much.